Welcome to my channel. Take it easy. Blast furnace coke CSR, coke strength after reaction, and CRI, coke reactivity index, are critical parameters that determine coke quality and performance in blast furnaces. CSR, coke strength after reaction, measures the strength of coke after reaction with CO2 at high temperatures. Indicates coke's ability to withstand mechanical stress and maintain permeability in the blast furnace. Higher CSR values indicate stronger coke. CRI, coke reactivity index, measures the reactivity of coke with CO2 at high temperatures. Indicates coke's ability to participate in reduction reactions and generate heat. Lower CRI values indicate less reactive coke, while higher values indicate more reactive coke. Balancing CSR and CRI is crucial for optimal blast furnace performance, as it affects fuel efficiency, reduction reactions, furnace stability, productivity. Impact of blast furnace coke CSR/CRI on productivity. CSR, coke strength after reaction, and CRI, coke reactivity index, significantly impact blast furnace productivity. High CSR, positive effect. Stronger coke maintains furnace permeability, supporting stable operations. Negative effect. If too high, reduced reactivity may slow reduction reactions, potentially decreasing productivity. Low CSR, negative effect. Weak coke can lead to fines generation, reducing permeability and furnace stability. High CRI, positive effect. More reactive coke enhances reduction reactions, potentially increasing productivity. Negative effect. If too high, overly reactive coke may degrade too quickly, affecting furnace stability. Low CRI, negative effect. Less reactive coke may require more fuel, reducing efficiency and productivity. Balancing CSR and CRI is crucial for optimal blast furnace performance, as it affects fuel efficiency, reduction reactions, furnace stability, productivity. The ideal balance depends on specific furnace conditions and operational strategies. How blast furnace coke CSR and CRI depends upon blast furnace stack height. Blast furnace coke CSR, coke strength after reaction, and CRI, coke reactivity index, requirements can depend on stack height. Taller stacks require higher CSR coke to maintain strength and permeability over longer distances. Can tolerate slightly lower CRI coke, as longer residence times allow for more complete reactions. Shorter stacks may require lower CSR coke, as less strength is needed for shorter distances. Benefit from higher CRI coke to enhance reactivity and efficient reduction reactions. The relationship between stack height, CSR, and CRI is complex and influenced by factors like furnace design, operational conditions, raw material quality. Optimizing coke properties for specific stack heights can improve blast furnace efficiency and productivity. What are the relation between blast furnace coke CSR and CRI? Blast furnace coke CSR, coke strength after reaction, and CRI, coke reactivity index, are related but distinct properties. Inverse relationship. Generally, as CSR increases, CRI tends to decrease. High CSR coke, stronger, often has lower reactivity, lower CRI. High CRI coke, more reactive, may have lower strength, lower CSR. Balancing act. Optimal blast furnace performance requires balancing CSR and CRI. Coke needs sufficient strength, CSR, to maintain permeability and withstand mechanical stress. Coke also needs adequate reactivity, CRI, to support efficient reduction reactions. The ideal balance between CSR and CRI depends on specific blast furnace design, operational conditions, and raw materials. CSR, coke strength after reaction, measurement, sample preparation. Coke samples are crushed and sieved to a specific size range, typically 19 to 22.4 mm. Reaction with CO2. Coke samples are placed in a reaction tube and heated to 1100 degrees Celsius in a CO2 atmosphere. Reaction time. The samples are reacted for a specified time, usually 2 hours. Cooling and sieving. After reaction, the samples are cooled and sieved to separate the plus 10 mm fraction. Drum test. The plus 10 mm fraction is subjected to a drum test, usually 600 revolutions. Weight measurement. The weight of the plus 10 mm fraction is measured before and after the drum test. CSR calculation. CSR is calculated using the formula. CSR is equal to weight of plus 10 mm fraction after drum test divided by weight of plus 10 mm fraction before drum test into 100. CRI, Coke Reactivity Index, measurement, sample preparation. Coke samples are crushed and sieved to a specific size range, typically 19 to 22.4 mm. Reaction with CO2. Coke samples are placed in a reaction tube and heated to 1100 degrees Celsius in a CO2 atmosphere. Weight loss measurement. The weight loss of the coke sample is measured during the reaction. CRI calculation. CRI is calculated using the formula. CRI is equal to weight loss during reaction divided by initial weight of coke sample into 100.